Hi there, this is Mark from Orange Rocket. Hope you are doing well. So today I want to talk about tools that we use within the Amazon marketplace. So as a brand owner, you don't necessarily need to invest in a large number of tools, and I would suggest that you keep that to a minimum to keep your overheads low, but they can be useful to analyse what other people are doing in the market and what sales they're doing and how they're doing in terms of ranking. So, as an agency, we use a variety of tools. So we've got Helium 10, we've got Jungle Scout, we've got Data Dive, and a whole host of others. So let me just take a look. So I'm just going to get rid of me. Don't need to see my face. So here we are. I've done a search for garden lights, and we can see that there's a variety of garden lights on the market. So if I'm a manufacturer or a seller, private label seller of lights for the garden, then I might want to be looking at how I can improve my sales or how I can launch on the marketplace. Maybe I'm already selling through Shopify or whatever. And you can see that there's a variety of lights. Now what we can do at a very, very high level is that we can use a variety of tools. I'm going to start with Helium 10. Now what Helium 10 does is it gives you a list, and if I just get rid of all of the sponsored ads, so it tells me all of the listings in a tabular format, where they're selling from, all the variety about fees, how many images they've got. So I can analyse the market very, very quickly. And what I can do is, if I'm working with a brand that's selling lights that are premium lights, and I want to know what the competitors are, what I can do is I can go to the filters and I can say, right, well, I'm only interested in competitors that are realistically competing with me. So I'm not interested in those selling £10 lights. So let's say 30. Right, so, okay, that was maybe not such a brilliant example, but there are only two competitors. So let's just say 20 to make that a little bit more realistic. Okay, so there are 18 competitors here who are selling over 20. So it's got rid of the low price, because obviously in every market you've got low, medium and high competitors. Low, not necessarily quality, but low, medium and high. Now you might say that maybe I'm already doing 5,000 sales a month. So let's say, for example, I am, in which case I can say, right, well, I'm actually only interested in looking at the competitors that are doing better than me. And so I can say I can filter that to 12 results. Now I'm getting closer to here are the competitors. And then what I can do is I can say, right, well, here are the competitors that are ranking and where they're ranking. And what I can actually do then is I can use tools to analyse what keywords they're using and all of that kind of stuff. But it's a very, very quick way of saying who are my competitors, who is doing better than me, and what can I learn from them. So it might be that this competitor is doing twice the sales or 3 times the sales I am. And what we can do is also we can have a quick look to make sure that actually these are genuine competitors to us. So it might be that, for example, that might not be the type of lights that we're doing. That might not be a genuine competitor because we're selling a different variety of lights, for example, and we can then get rid of those. So now we've only got 10, and then we can start looking at those competitors, and we can also sort them by price. We can sort them by revenue. And then we can actually start going into, and this is what I would do when I'm analysing a market. I would say, right, well, there are 10 competitors in this theoretical market that are genuine competitors of ours. We've discounted all the low price. Maybe we have to discount the high price if we're selling low. We discounted those that are selling products that aren't equivalent to ours. So when a customer comes to the Amazon marketplace, and they are genuinely looking for lights that are similar to ours, then potentially the sub-market that we're looking at consists of 10 people. Now we can see that the market is worth just short of £100,000 a month, and on average the sellers are doing about 9.5, and the average price is 28. So we know that if we're going to be offering a product that's higher than 28, higher than the average, then we've got to have a reason why that we're selling higher, maybe bigger quantity, better quality, etc. Or if we're selling a cheaper product, then we potentially need to highlight why people would consider a cheaper product, because the problem is obviously cheaper suggests lower quality. So then we can start looking at particular products, and we can start analysing how we're going to do that. I'm going to leave that there for now. On the next video I will start looking at individual products and seeing how we analyse that in detail. Thanks very much, take care, and we'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.